Kitchen Sink Drain Repair Calgary. The ultimate guide to repairing your kitchen sink. Drain. Say goodbye to leaks and clogs in Calgary. Is your kitchen sink drain giving you a headache with leaks and clogs? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this ultimate guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of repairing your kitchen sink drain, so you can say goodbye to those pesky issues for good. No more standing in a pool of water while doing dishes or dealing with foul odors wafting from your sink. Our expert tips and tricks will help you identify the root cause of the problem and provide you with effective solutions to fix it. Whether you're dealing with a leaky pipe, a clogged drain, or a dysfunctional garbage disposal, we'll guide you through the entire repair process. From necessary tools and materials to common mistakes to avoid, we'll give you everything you need to become a DIY plumbing hero in your own kitchen. Say goodbye to expensive plumber bills and reclaim control over your kitchen sink drain. Get ready to enjoy a leak-free and clog-free kitchen sink once and for all. Let's dive in and get your plumbing problems solved. Common kitchen sink drain issues in Calgary, Alberta. The kitchen sink drain is a workhorse in our homes, but it's not immune to problems. Understanding the common issues that can occur will help you tackle them effectively. Here are some of the most frequent kitchen sink drain problems. 1. Leaky pipes. Leaky pipes are one of the most frustrating issues you can encounter with your kitchen sink drain. Not only do they create a mess, but they can also cause water damage to your cabinets and floors. Leaks can occur at any point in the drain system, including the pipes under the sink, the P-trap, or even the connections to the main sewer line. To identify a leak, look for water pooling under the sink or damp spots on the walls or floor near the drain pipe. You may also notice a musty odor or mold growth. Addressing these leaks promptly is crucial to prevent further damage. 2. Clogged drains. Clogs are another common problem that can disrupt the functionality of your kitchen sink drain. They can be caused by a buildup of food particles, grease, soap scum, or even foreign objects accidentally dropped down the drain. A clogged drain can lead to slow drainage, standing water, and unpleasant odors. If you notice water taking longer to drain or hear gurgling sounds when the water goes down, chances are you have a clog. It's important to address clogs promptly to prevent backups and potential damage to your pipes. 3. Malfunctioning garbage disposal. Many kitchen sinks are equipped with garbage disposals, which can be a convenient way to dispose of food waste. However, these devices can also become a source of problems if not properly maintained or used incorrectly. Issues with the garbage disposal can cause clogs, leaks, or even complete failure of the unit. If your garbage disposal is making unusual noises, not grinding food properly, or leaking water, it's time to address the problem. Ignoring these issues can lead to further damage and the need for a costly replacement. Signs of a leaking or clogged kitchen sink drain. Identifying the signs of a leaking or clogged kitchen sink drain is the first step towards fixing the problem. Here are some common indicators that your drain may need attention. 1. Water pooling under the sink. If you notice water accumulating under the sink, it's a clear sign of a leak in the drain system. Take a closer look at the pipes, connections, and P-trap to identify the source of the leak. Fixing the leak promptly will prevent further damage to your cabinets and flooring. 2. Damp spots or mold growth. Damp spots or mold growth on the walls or floor near the sink can indicate a hidden leak. These leaks can be harder to detect, but the presence of mold or a musty odor is a clear indication that something is wrong. Investigate the area carefully to find the source of the leak and take appropriate measures to fix it. 3. Slow drainage or standing water. If water takes longer to drain than usual, or you find standing water in your sink, it's a sign of a clog in the drain. Clogs can cause water to back up, leading to these issues. Addressing the clog promptly will prevent further backups and potential damage to your pipes. 4. Unpleasant odors. Foul odors emanating from your kitchen sink can be a result of food particles trapped in the drain or a buildup of bacteria. These odors can be quite unpleasant and may indicate the need for a thorough cleaning or unclogging of the drain. Tools and materials needed for repairing a kitchen sink drain. Before you start repairing your kitchen sink drain in your Calgary home, it's essential to gather the necessary tools and materials. Having everything on hand will save you time and ensure a smooth repair process. Here's a list of items you'll need. Tools: adjustable wrench, inner pipe wrench, screwdriver, both flathead and Phillips, plunger, drain snake or auger, plumber's tape, bucket or basin, pipe cutter, hacksaw. Materials: replacement pipes or fittings if necessary, P-trap or trap kit, PVC or metal pipes, depending on your existing setup, plumber's putty, plumber's glue, rubber gloves, safety goggles. Step-by-step guide to repairing a leaking kitchen sink drain. A leaking kitchen sink drain can cause significant damage if left unattended. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix the issue and prevent further leaks. Starter 1. Turn off the water supply. Before you begin any repairs, turn off the water supply to your kitchen sink. Locate the shutoff valves under the sink and turn them clockwise until they're fully closed. This will prevent water from flowing while you work on the drain. Starter 2. Place a bucket or basin under the sink. To catch any water that may still be in the pipes, place a bucket or basin under the sink. This will prevent further mess and make it easier to clean up. Starter 3. Identify the source of the leak. Inspect the drain pipes, connections, and P-trap to identify the source of the leak. Look for signs of water or moisture and visually inspect each component for cracks or loose fittings. Once you've identified the problem area, proceed with the necessary repairs. Strategy 4. Replace damaged pipes or fittings. If you find a cracked or damaged pipe or fitting, it will need to be replaced. Use a pipe cutter or hacksaw to cut out the damaged section, making sure to measure accurately to ensure a proper fit for the replacement pipe or fitting. Apply plumber's tape to the threads of the new components and use an adjustable wrench or pipe wrench to tighten the connections securely. Reassemble the drain system. Once you've replaced any damaged components, reassemble the drain system. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. Use plumber's putty or plumber's glue as needed to seal any gaps or joints. 6. Test for leaks. Turn the water supply back on and test for leaks. Run water through the sink and check for any signs of water escaping from the repaired areas. If you notice any leaks, tighten the connections further or reapply plumber's putty or plumber's glue as necessary. 7. Clean up and check for proper drainage. Clean up any water or debris from the repair process and check that the sink is draining properly. If water flows smoothly without any leaks, congratulations. You've successfully repaired your leaking kitchen sink drain. Step-by-step guide to unclogging a kitchen sink drain. A clogged kitchen sink drain can be a frustrating problem, but with the right steps, you can clear the blockage and restore proper drainage. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unclog your kitchen sink drain. 1. Start with a plunger. Begin by using a plunger to try and dislodge the clog. Fill the sink partially with water to create a seal and place the plunger over the drain. Push down firmly and then pull up quickly, repeating the motion several times. The suction created by the plunger can help to break up the clog and allow water to flow freely. 2. Use a drain snake or auger. If the plunger doesn't clear the clog, the next step is to use a drain snake or auger. Insert the snake into the drain and rotate it clockwise while pushing it further into the pipe. Continue feeding the snake into the drain until you encounter resistance or feel the clog. Once you've reached the clog, rotate the snake counterclockwise while applying gentle pressure to break it up. 3. Flush the drain with hot water. After using the plunger and drain snake, flush the drain with hot water to wash away any remaining debris or loosened clog particles. Let the water run for a few minutes to ensure the drain is clear and flowing freely. 4. Clean the P-trap. If the clog persists, the problem may be in the P-trap. Place a bucket or basin under the P-trap to catch any water that may spill out. Use an adjustable wrench or pipe wrench to loosen the slip nuts on either side of the P-trap. Remove the trap and clean out any debris or clog material. Once cleaned, reattach the P-trap and tighten the slip nuts securely. 5. Test for proper drainage. Turn on the water and check for proper drainage. If the sink is draining smoothly, you've successfully unclogged your kitchen sink drain. If the clog persists, you may need to repeat the steps or consider calling a professional plumber for further assistance. Preventive measures to avoid future kitchen sink drain issues. Prevention is key when it comes to maintaining a healthy kitchen sink drain. By implementing a few simple habits, you can avoid future issues and keep your drain in optimal condition. Here are some preventive measures to consider. Number 1. Dispose of food waste properly. To prevent clogs, avoid disposing of large food scraps or fibrous materials down the drain. Use a sink strainer or stopper to catch any solid particles and dispose of them in the trash. Grease and oil should also be disposed of in the trash, as they can solidify and cause clogs. 2. Run hot water after each use. After using the sink, run hot water for a few minutes to flush away any remaining debris and keep the drain clear. Hot water helps to dissolve grease and keeps it from solidifying in the pipes. 3. Regularly clean the drain. Regularly cleaning your drain can help prevent buildup and clogs. Pouring boiling water down the drain once a week can help dissolve any grease or soap scum. You can also use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar followed by hot water to naturally clean and deodorize the drain. 4. Avoid chemical drain cleaners. While it may be tempting to use chemical drain cleaners to address clogs, these products can be harsh on your pipes and the environment. Opt for natural cleaning methods or mechanical means like plungers and drain snakes to clear clogs effectively. 5. Schedule professional maintenance. Consider scheduling regular maintenance with a professional plumber to inspect your kitchen sink drain and address any potential issues before they become major problems. A professional can also provide advice on proper maintenance and suggest any necessary repairs or upgrades. DIY versus hiring a professional for kitchen sink drain repairs. Deciding whether to tackle kitchen sink drain repairs yourself or hire a professional plumber depends on your level of comfort and expertise. Here are a few factors to consider. 1. DIY repairs. If you have some basic plumbing knowledge and feel confident in your abilities, DIY repairs can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment. However, it's essential to be realistic about your skills and limitations. Complex issues or extensive repairs may require professional assistance to ensure the job is done correctly. 2. Hiring a professional. For more complex or challenging repairs, hiring a professional plumber is often the best course of action. They have the necessary skills, experience, and tools to handle any issue effectively. Professional plumbers can also provide valuable advice and offer long-term solutions to prevent future problems. Ultimately, the decision between DIY repairs and hiring a professional depends on your comfort level, the complexity of the problem, and your budget. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Recommended products for maintaining a healthy kitchen sink drain. To keep your kitchen sink drain in top shape, it's important to use the right products domestically. Here are some recommended products that will help maintain a healthy drain. 1. Sink strainer or stopper. A sink strainer or stopper is an essential tool to catch food scraps and prevent them from going down the drain. Choose a strainer or stopper with small holes to effectively catch small particles without hindering water flow. 2. Enzyme drain cleaner. Enzyme drain cleaners are a safe and eco-friendly option for clearing minor clogs and preventing buildup in your drain. These cleaners use natural enzymes to break down organic matter, keeping your drain free from odors and blockages. Factor 3. BioClean Drain Septic Bacteria. BioClean Drain Septic Bacteria is a powerful product that helps to maintain a healthy bacterial balance in your drain. It breaks down organic waste, grease, and other buildup, preventing clogs and foul odors. Regular use of this product can promote a clean and efficient drain system. 4. Plumber's tape. Plumber's tape, also known as Teflon tape, is a must-have for sealing pipe connections and preventing leaks. It creates a watertight seal and helps to prevent corrosion and damage to the threads of your pipes and fittings. 5. Plunger. A plunger is an essential tool for clearing minor clogs in your kitchen sink drain. Choose a plunger with a flat bottom for a better seal and more effective plunging action. Troubleshooting tips for persistent kitchen sink drain problems. If you've tried repairing your kitchen sink drain, but are still experiencing persistent issues, here are some troubleshooting tips to consider. Check for hidden leaks. Sometimes leaks can be hidden and difficult to detect. Inspect the area around the sink and cabinets for damp spots.